Hey guys, what's up? Today is a new video. This time it's a video, not a stream. It's just me showing you something or seeing what I got. I was lucky enough, I run ads sometimes online that I ask for, or say that I pick up items that are defunct, non-working, instead of it going to the junkyard or recyclers if they're doing it right. Maybe we can fix it. And a guy contacted me and he said, well, I have this thing. It's broken. All the pieces are there. It doesn't have RAM, doesn't have SSD. But everything else is there, but it's broken. He had the pieces, but he didn't have any power supply, so he didn't know if anything was working. So for all he knew, it was working just fine. Well, the parts, because the laptop screen, it's a HP. What was it? HP Pavilion, I think. It's a 13S081NO, and I've got it right here. I'm just gonna see if I can get. Yep, the Stream Deck is working just fine. So what's this? And as you can see, it has been through the works. And the screen. It's also seen a lot better days. But I think, yeah, it's a Pavilion. I think this is the one where he had taken off keyboard from this side. Yeah. Okay. So the keyboard looks alright. Sort of. Somebody's done something right over here, but it's not a worry. And it's missing on that side. Doesn't really matter. Huh. And I don't see any screws in the main board. There are a few screws lying around here. Speakers are loose. Okay. So what I'm interested, okay, that's a little bit of a worry. If you can see, I'm trying to zoom in. This board looks broken. The little piece that's there looks like it's broken. It's a button. Put it aside for now. But do we want to try and just see what sort of power it's drawing? If it's drawing anything. The battery's screwed down with 1, 2, 3 screws on this one. Memory card reader. Some LEDs. Okay, I'm gonna take the board out just to have a quick look. Now, he had a picture of the motherboard, so I knew that it was a Fashion BDWMB. This is, I have the schematic for it, but I do not have a board view because I don't believe the board view is available for this one. I don't see anything right off the bat that worries me. Let me just zoom out a bit again. Back to that. I'm not seeing. Let's try and put power to it. There. So I'm gonna try and power it using my bench power supply, and having now switched to Windows, I'm gonna say let's just say 4 amps as a maximum. But I need the correct adapter. Now you know that HP usually is the blue one, like this one. Yep. Let's try and connect. I mean, I'm guessing this is the power port or the charge port. Let's hook up the battery too. Now I'm not gonna hook up anything else right off the bat. I'm just gonna see if it's instantly drawing something it's not supposed to. Okay, so turn the power supply on. Oh, we have fan spin. Fan spun right up. And it's drawing 364, 63, 60, so yeah. Huh. So it's staying around 360 milliamps, so 0.36 amps. Turn it off, and I mean, it does have an HDMI, because I mean, I seriously doubt that this screen will be okay. But maybe it'll be good enough to just show a picture. Try and see what happens on the screen again. Yeah. Always helps to plug it in. Okay, 428. It's not really. I'm not feeling anything heating up much. Just check with the thermal camera. So it is heating up on the CPU. I mean, there's no RAM or anything in this one, so you know what? Let's put in a sticker RAM. I have, yeah. Not sure if these are compatible, because I just worked on another laptop and I figured okay. So that is 2 gigabytes, so 4 gigabytes total. The LVDS cable on this one is fiddly. Maybe I should just try to hook up speakers too, just to see if I can hear audio or something audible, like a beep or something. You know what? Let's do that. Let's do that. Oh, there's another screw on the speaker. There. And the battery. I'm still getting used to making videos again, so please apologize if yeah. I mean, you don't have to be away from something for more than, like, say a couple of weeks and you forget everything. Like, for me, it's like talking to the camera. I guess I could use the HDMI that I have in my microscope as next and get it up on. I'll try to get it up on screen anyways. You know what? First of all, let's see what happens. Turn it on, or at least give it power. It is doing something. It's not doing anything on screen. Unplug the microscope and let's plug that into the laptop, see if we can see anything on that. Sorry for the cable in the way, guys. There. Okay, external screen, and I will switch the input source to microscope, which is now no signal. I'll turn on the power supply. And I will press the button that's on the side here, because it has a button on the side. So let's see. I mean, ground is anywhere, so. Yeah, 18.3. Power is getting to the board. Is it getting to the... Is it charging the battery? .2 volts. And this should be 10.8, so the battery is like dead. But I'm not seeing any charge current. Okay, so we know we have a viable project here. I'm not gonna do anything else on it right now other than just go ahead and turn the power off to the board. But we know we have a viable project, which is all I really wanted to know today. Because now I have something, because what did I receive? I received my new hot air station. Atten 862D ST-862D, and I've given it just some simple testing, and oh my god, is it a change from what I had. I mean, it's just not possible to compare it in any way. Hang on. There. The Atten. I mean, wow. From the one I had, there's just no comparison. I did a sort of a side-by-side because I had just done work with the station that I had. And the job using my station took 10 minutes to get done. With the new Atten, and everything was done in like 3 minutes, and that was with everything heating up and me learning to use it. I mean, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you like what I do, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.